Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best budget solar batteries in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is BLAVOR Portable Solar Battery. Our first choice is somewhat different, but this is an efficient way to provide energy for people who need to charge their mobile devices while on the move. With a maximum of 10,000 mAh, 10Ah, available, it is theoretically capable of charging 3 devices simultaneously, though this does reduce charging speed. It will also depend on connectivity. It offers wireless charging for suitably specified cell phones, plus 2 USB ports. The rugged design is rated IPX5 waterproof. Technically, that means it can sustain a consistent low-pressure spray. In real terms, it can take more or less any weather conditions short of being submerged. It is also dust-proof and shock-resistant, though the level of protection does make it a little bulky when compared to some rivals. An LED flashlight is built in, as is a compass. These underline the BLAVOR cheap portable charger's suitability for hiking and camping. It does not provide charge cycle information. Similar devices offer anywhere from 200 to 1,000 cycles, but unfortunately there is no way to assess this without running the cheap portable charger for its entire lifespan. The relatively small size of the solar panel does mean battery recharging speed is quite slow. Hanging it from the outside of a pack to maximize exposure is recommended where practical. Number 2. Our second best pick is WEIZE 12V75AH Deep Solar Battery. This solar battery is another popular AGM model. So it has proven reliability, and is safe to use in any position without risk of spilling acidic electrolyte. It is maintenance-free, and works well at low temperatures. Its compact design and 75Ah capacity suits a wide variety of functions. It is relatively lightweight at 46 pounds, making it viable for campsite use, and in small boats with trolling motors. It is ideal as a backup for a sump pump in the event of a power failure. It will run a variety of electric vehicles such as golf carts, lawn equipment, and wheelchairs. It can also be used to power emergency lighting. This battery's lifespan is quoted at around 6 years. While we were unable to find a figure for cycles, it is likely to be around 600 to 700. While these figures are lower than some, the WEIZE solar battery still represents good value when the low price is taken into account. That said, we can't speak from direct experience, but we have seen several reports of batteries being damaged on arrival. Most felt this was due to packaging that doesn't provide sufficient protection. Number 3. Our third best pick is Vmaxtanks 12V 125Ah solar battery. If you're looking for a solar battery you can depend on to start your vehicles, this solar battery is a good choice. It's designed with AGM, absorbent glass mat, a type of lead-acid battery chemistry that has long proven an effective way to store power. However, unlike the original liquid-filled lead-acid type, AGM batteries have the electrolyte stored in sealed plastic containers. They won't spill if tipped over, so they can be used on their side or stood on end. They also require no maintenance beyond recharging. This solar battery's 125 amp-hours of output also makes it a good option for the higher demands of RV use. However, better value will be achieved when several units are wired together to provide higher output for off-grid use. It also performs well in cold weather, where lithium-ion batteries are less effective. While more expensive than some, this solar battery can be expected to last 8 to 10 years, or around 1,000 cycles. Vmaxtanks quote a lifespan of up to 3,600 cycles, but by then it will only take a 10% charge. A noticeable drop in performance usually occurs when AGM batteries have dropped to around 40% capacity, at which point they are frequently replaced. Hence our lower cycle rating. Another way to save energy is by investing in the best solar panels. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Renogy 12V 100Ah solar battery. This solar battery uses another form of lead-acid chemistry. While less common than AGM, it has actually been around for longer. It combines pyrogenic silica, which is inert, with sulfuric acid, as found in other lead-acid batteries. The result is a thick gel that allows the battery to be used at any angle. It is also highly resistant to vibration, and very tolerant of temperature extremes. These features make hybrid gel solar batteries a popular choice for marine, off-grid, and industrial applications. Hybrid gel batteries are also frequently paired with emergency generators and medical equipment due to their longevity and reliability. This solar battery has a life expectancy that can reach 12 years. Self-discharge is also relatively low at around 3% per month, so it can be shelved for long periods if necessary. Recharge cycles are comparable with AGM, but the Renogy solar battery discharges more thoroughly for extended time between charges. That said, it isn't rated as highly as typical lithium alternatives. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is ExpertPower 12V 100Ah solar battery. Lithium-ion batteries typically provide more power than lead-acid and AGM, and over a longer period. LiFePO4, lithium iron phosphate, is the latest chemistry, and provides superior performance. A typical AGM solar battery provides about 50% of its capacity before power drops off. This solar battery delivers up to 80%. They also degrade by only around 1% per year. This is quoted as having a minimum life of 2,500 cycles, but it may be as high as 7,000 cycles over a 10-year period. They recharge faster than AGM too. It uses no rare earth metals, so it is more environmentally friendly than many competitors. There's also no danger from accidental overcharging, as the cells are incombustible. This makes it popular in hazardous environments. In fact, there are few applications that don't benefit, including RVs, marine craft, and off-grid installations. The only minor drawback is a drop-off in performance in extreme cold, below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, although the cost of this solar battery is competitive for its kind, the initial cost is 2 or 3 times that of AGM alternatives. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.